Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the 89 Garage. Today is a review video. Something I should have bought a while ago, and I'm just getting around to it. Check it out. I've needed a way to balance tires for a while. I just went over to Hobo Frank and picked this up, and we're gonna balance the tires that I just mounted for that car. These are Mustang wheels, S197 wheels, I think is what they came on. Fairly certain of it. Anyway, we're going to balance those before I put them on the car with this. And I also bought weights while I was over there. Hoping those are going to be good enough. I bought the 1/4 ounce ones. That seemed to be the #1 seller on Amazon. This is a bubble version where you set the wheel down on there and the weights. You put the weights on to counter the other side. And these are stick-on. They're not the ones that you beat on with a hammer. I got these because this car needs tires too. I've got those. As you can tell, these things have seen better days. But I have some Z-rated tires that are going to be going on here. Brand new as well. And I need this for that. My hang-up for not doing those yet, though, is I want to repaint these wheels. It is extremely windy today. I don't know if you can see all the crap blowing around. I don't want... Oh my hell, would you look at that? Black Widow right there was just making a drop. It saw me coming and went back up. We'll be spraying that feller. Or fellette, whatever it is. I'm going to spray that thing, get these tires rolled out, get Frankie out of here. And the whole point of my wind comment was we're going to be doing that here in the garage with the door closed. And minus a Black Widow. Get the hell out of there. Okay. Problem solved. That's better. Unbox this thing. Let's see what we got. Base. All right. I don't know that I'll need those. And this is the magic maker right here. This is kind of what this bubble right here is how you see if it's balanced. I just took this stuff off the end of here, and we're going to insert that into here, flip this over, I'm just going to use this baby here to tighten this up. Literally, I think that's all we got to do to put this thing together. I'm going to hang on to this. But this boy here just literally sits This has a point on it. You can see that right there. That's pointed. And that is going to sit in the middle of that dimple. So we got to carefully put this on here. I think that's it. Yeah, I think I see a bunch of words here. I don't see anything about my theory here, but I'm pretty sure that I need to tighten these screws up. All right, I don't feel that I did a good enough job explaining what I'm doing right here. So I'm going to tell you right now. What I did was I took and I just tightened these screws up to where it's level. So wherever you're sitting at, this is automatically going to go level. You just tighten these screws up so that bubble's in the middle. Then that way, if you're not on ground that is level, you can still make your measurements so it's level. And it really turned out very, very well. Anyway, I don't feel I explained that well enough as I was doing it, so that's what I was doing. Back to the video. Well, you know what? This is not even where I'm going to be balancing the tires, so probably better if I put it right here in the middle where I was going to do it. Let's see where that ends up. All right, it's pretty close to the same place. All right, that's right in the center. So now I'm going to grab one of those tires, and when we set the tire down on there, it's going to center on this cone right here. I'll just take this here, set it right close to center as we can. I don't think this one needs a weight. Thing's right dead center. Somehow I lucked out on that. Okay. Okay. This one here is slightly off. Kind of aimed up that way a little bit more. I'm gonna get into those weights. I don't know if I mentioned before, but these are 1/4 ounce. All right, so I'm just gonna take this over there and we'll just set it over here. This I don't know what I'm doing really, but okay. Where'd that go? Right here. Yeah, that's more dead center after I stuck that right there. So I'm actually going to take this, peel that, and I'm going to stick it inside of here. So right. Stuck it right there. We're centered. All right, I think that one is done. This one is also right in the center. Yeah, not bad at all. So far, we've used one weight. We're on the final tire, so let's see. Well, not much of a video because we used one weight. This is the fourth and final tire, and it is also right in the center. All right, so I'm gonna put these on the car, take it for a run. Honestly, beyond that, this video is about done. I will come back and tell you how it turned out, but overall, I'm extremely impressed with this here. It's gonna save me a lot of money. The price for the balancer was $100, and the wheel weights were $9. I'm sure that this is gonna come in handy with lots of tires. The reason I'm doing this, some of you might be saying, okay, why don't you just have a tire shop do it? I'll tell you why. They want $30 to $40 a tire here to mount and balance, and I'm out like, I think altogether we'll say 150 bucks altogether. I got the manual changer on sale for like 40 bucks. I'm just over what it would cost to get all of them mounted and balanced, and now I can do it anytime I need to and want to. The only thing that sucks about this is, what the hell am I going to do with all these tires that I take off? I'm going to have to figure that out. I'm going to have to call around and see. I know that the state of Utah has a recycling program. I don't know where it's at. I just looked it up, and it says it's $1 a tire, but that might only be if I'm getting my tires changed at a shop. All right, we are back from the ride, and it turned out very well. Put that on the would buy again list. Have a great week, guys, and enjoy the rest of your day. Cheers.